In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a woman named Alina. She was known for her kindness, grace, and an aura that seemed to radiate love and warmth to everyone she encountered. Alina had a smile that could brighten the gloomiest of days, but there was a longing in her eyes, a story hidden deep within her. Alina's story began many years ago when she met the love of her life, a talented musician named Daniel. Their love was an instant connection, like two notes that harmonized perfectly. They laughed together, shared dreams, and built a life full of love and creativity. But life is never without its challenges, and Daniel fell seriously ill. Alina stood by his side, caring for him with unwavering devotion. Even as his health deteriorated, their love remained strong, an unbreakable bond that grew deeper with every passing day. One day, under the gentle shade of a sprawling oak tree in a park they often visited, Daniel took Alina's hand and whispered, "My love, I want you to promise me something." His voice was fragile, but his eyes sparkled with love. Alina nodded, her heart heavy but ready to grant him any wish. "I want you to promise me that you'll continue to live a full and happy life, even when I'm gone. Our love is everlasting, Alina, and I'll always be with you," Daniel said, his words filled with the tenderness of a love that transcended time. With tears in her eyes, Alina made that promise. And when Daniel passed away, she mourned him but remembered her promise. She decided to honor his memory by sharing her love and kindness with the world. She volunteered at a local children's hospital, sang songs for the elderly at a nearby nursing home, and helped those in need in any way she could. As the years went by, Alina's acts of kindness touched the lives of countless people. She became known as the Angel of the City for her selfless deeds and the enduring love that shone through her. And though she continued to miss Daniel every day, she knew he was right there with her, guiding her every step. One evening, as Alina sat by the same oak tree where she had made her promise, a stranger approached her. He had heard of her kindness and felt compelled to meet her. They struck up a conversation, and as they talked, they realized they had a shared passion for music, just like Alina and Daniel once had. Their connection grew stronger with time, and Alina found herself falling in love again, this time with a man who appreciated her for who she was. It was as though fate had given her a second chance at happiness. Alina's everlasting love for Daniel remained in her heart, a cherished memory that had shaped her into the extraordinary person she had become. And now, with a new love by her side, she continued to spread love and kindness, proving that love, in all its forms, could truly last forever.